In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take effective notes in Microsoft Word. First, set yourself up for success before the lecture or meeting even begins. Skim your readings, the syllabus, or your previous notes to spot the main concepts and key terms. Having that mental roadmap makes it easier to recognize important points and filter out the rest. When you're actually taking notes, don't try to capture every word. Aim for the big ideas and paraphrase them in your own words. That active processing boosts comprehension and helps you keep pace. Create a simple shorthand, too, like using W/O for without, or initials for frequent names and concepts, so you can record ideas quickly without breaking your flow. Right after the session, plan a short review, ideally within 24 hours. Clarify anything that's unclear, add quick summaries, and highlight what matters most. This brief pass moves information into long-term memory and prevents a pileup later. To stay focused while you work, minimize distractions. Turn on Do Not Disturb, close extra tabs and apps, and, if you're in person, sit toward the front to reduce interruptions. Now, let's use Word to make all of this faster and more organized. If typing can't keep up, tap Dictate on the Home tab and speak your ideas. It's great for brainstorming or capturing fast-paced discussions. For structure, combine heading styles on the Home tab with Outline view. Use the Tab key to indent and create sub-points, and press Enter twice to move back up a level. This hierarchy lets you collapse and expand sections, which is perfect for reviewing. Break dense text into scannable points with bullets and numbering from the Home tab. When you want to add reminders or questions without cluttering the page, insert comments from the Review tab. On touch devices, the Draw tab lets you sketch quick diagrams, circle key information, or annotate in the margins, handy for visual memory. Enhance understanding with visual aids. On the Insert tab, drop in relevant images, charts, or graphs so your notes reflect both words and visuals. Use color coding and highlighting to make patterns pop, for example, blue for definitions and yellow for key statistics, so your eyes find what you need instantly. If you rely on a consistent format, like the Cornell method, save time by creating a custom .x template and reuse it each session. Finally, save to OneDrive so your notes are backed up automatically and accessible across your devices. Put these habits and tools together, and your Word notes will be clearer, faster to create, and far easier to study later.